All right, in this video, we are going to find all the factors of a number and find common factors. Let's start with the beginning. Let's say we were looking for all the factors of the number 15, right? And the question said, find the factors of 15. This is how I like to do it. So first I start by writing the number I'm looking for, right? This is going to be the product. Then we start to say what two numbers multiplied will equal it, right? So we can do it one of two ways. We can either go figure out all the numbers that are multiplied to do it, or we can do it by the division. So here's how we would do both. We would go 1 times what equals 15? Well, 1 times 15 equals 15. Does 2 times anything equal 15? Here's how we check. We say 2 or 15 divided by 2. Does that equal anything? 2 goes into 15 7 times. 7 times 2 is 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. Nope, there's a remainder of 1. That is not a factor. Let's go to 3. 15 divided by 3. 3 goes into 15 5 times. 5 times 3 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. Good. No remainder. Therefore, 3 is a factor. And what is it? It's 3 times 5 gives you 15. Let's try 4. Does 4 divide evenly or into 15? 15 divided by 4, let's see, 4 goes into 15 3 times, right? 3 times 4 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Nope, we have a remainder of 3. 4 is not a factor. All right, let's try 5. Does 5 go into 15? And you just notice I'm trying each number all the way up. 5, does that go into 15? 5 goes into 15 3 times, right? 3 times 5 is 15. 15 minus 15 is 0. 5 makes it in. 5 is a factor. And what do we multiply that by? 5 times 3. And once you see, if you take a look here, once you see the numbers switch right away, or the pairing, let's call it the pair, right? When you see this little block where it's 1, 3, 5, or it goes a number times another number that's close to it, and then it switches right away, 15 times 3, that's how you know you're done. Because here's what's going to happen. If you continue going, let's try 6, right? Here's what happens. 6 into 15. 6 only fits twice. 2 times 6 is 12. 15 minus 12 is 3. Remainder 3. 6 is not going to make it in. It's not a factor. 7 times nothing is 15. 8 times nothing is 15. 9 times nothing is 15. 10 times nothing is 15. 11 times nothing. All the way up to 15. So do you see this? That once it starts to go back down, it switches over. 5 times 3. 3 times 5. And that's how you know you're finished. So all of the factors of 15 are, the individual factors, right, are 1, 3, 5. Oh, and we didn't finish out. We should have done 15 times 15 times 1. 1, 3, 5, 15. Those are all the factors of 15. So we list them out. 1, 3, 5, 15. Okay, so now that we found all the factors of 15, now we can start to say to ourselves, all right, does it have any common factors with another number? And here's what I mean. Let's say we're looking at another number. Like, let's say the number is 20, right? Let's say we're looking for the number 20. What are all the factors of the number 20? Well, if I started listing them, I'd say, all right, it's 1 times 20. I'll do it in green, so we'll keep consistent. We've got 2 times 10. 3 times anything? No. 4 times, yep, 4 times 5. And then we've got 5 times 4. And do you see what I mean now by say that little box is created? Where the number, the equation in front is the same as the equation behind it. This is the 5 3 times 5 and the 5 times 3. That's how you know you're finished. There's not going to be any numbers after that. So you might say to yourself, all right, what are all the individual factors of 20? Well, it's 1, 2, 4, 5, 4, 5, 10, and the last one is 20. Same thing over here, 1, 3, 5, and the last one is 15. So if we listed those out, 1, 3, 5, 15, here are the factors of both numbers, right? Those are the factors of 15. These are the factors of 20. Now, do they share any in common? What I mean is, are there any numbers that are the same on both sides? Yeah, of course. You've got 1 here and 1 here. So that's the 1. There's a 3 here and 3 here. There's a 5 here and a 5 here. Oh, I'm sorry. And a 5 here. 15 here. This one's not supposed to be a 15 on the 20 side. It's supposed to be a 20. I'm sorry. I was going too quickly. 15 and 20 are not the same number. So the common things that they share, or the same numbers that they share, are 1, 3, and 5. We call these three numbers common factors because they are shared by both 20 and both 15. 1, 3, and 5 are the common factors between 15 and 20. The factors of 20 are 1, 3, 5, and 20. The factors of 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. And together they both share these three numbers as common factors.